What are the benefits of eye training courses in improving eye health? First, by doing eye exercises and eye training programs, you can improve your eyesight by reducing eye strain, blurriness, and eye fatigue. Second, you can also prevent, reverse, or slow down the progression of common eye problems such as myopia, nearsightedness, hyperopia, farsightedness, or astigmatism. Third, boosting your brain function with eye training. By doing eye training courses, you can boost your brain function by increasing your neural connections in the brain. Fourth, you can also improve your memory, relaxation, and creativity by stimulating different areas of the brain, especially with the brain hemisphere synchronization exercises, which help to heal lazy eye. Fifth, by doing eye training courses, you can enhance and expand your field of vision, so your eyes will be less tired and more information will come to your brain. Conclusion: eye training courses are programs that teach you how to do eye exercises that can improve your vision naturally, relaxing your eye muscles, stimulates your visual cortex and optic nerve, and enhancing your peripheral awareness. They can offer many benefits for your eye health, such as improving your eyesight, boosting your brain function, and enhancing your safety, comfort, and well-being. Eye training course, Eyesight Academy, link in the description below.